Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at this. So this is a quick unboxing. I do have a setup video for this, which I've done a long time ago. Plus, I did another video that actually teaches you how to replace one, just in case you had to do that. Anyways, the box does come sealed. The serial number will be down here below, just in case, but you can see that information within the actual app as well. So once you guys log in, you guys can actually check that out as well. So let's just get started with the unboxing. Then on the back, we're just gonna see this. So we can actually open this up. All right, here I am struggling with the box. It's very, very tight. But there we go. That's how things come inside the box. There's nothing else inside of it, by the way. So here's the main thing that we're gonna be taking a look at later on. Let me just put it on the side for now. Just put it on top of this. You also get some manuals with it. And just in case, this would be my second one because my other one ran out of battery. They all come with an internal battery. And I guess if you have a lot of power outages wherever you are, the faster the battery will just run out. So, and you can charge it up again, yes, but there comes a time where it just dies. Like any battery out there. So for me, it was 2 years and done. After that, can you change the battery? You could, but it's just easier to buy another one. Actually, if you contact Google, they'll just tell you to buy another one. They don't actually give you a replacement battery. You're gonna have to look for an aftermarket one, which I didn't really want to bother with because I know aftermarket batteries are pretty bad. But anyways, what you're looking at right now is everything you guys get inside the package. And no, you will not be using everything that's in here. For example, you don't need to use this. Some people use it, others don't need to use this. I didn't have to use this. This, for example, everybody's gonna need. So let me just take this out actually. So here you go. So this is something that actually everybody's gonna use. And if you had one of these before, you can use the one that you had. You don't have to reconnect everything. I wanna highlight these are the screws that you get. And you also get this set right here. Which, yes, again, not all of you are going to use all of them. Some of you just might use a few of them. You might have to use your own screws depending on your setup. You also get this, which, once again, not everybody's going to use. But some of you will if you need to hook this up, for example. And we get this screwdriver, which, by the way, you can take that out and you have another end. So you do get both of them, which you will need. So it's pretty nice that they give you this. And now let's take a look at what everybody has been waiting for, which is this dude. So let's just take this out because you don't need it anymore. So that's how it looks like. It's not that heavy. On the back, you're only gonna see those 2 ports. So there's only 2 ports. Yes, you will need the Nest app on your phone or tablet to set this up. And no, this will not work on every single system out there. So your furnace might not be compatible. So just make sure to check out on the website if your furnace is compatible. Most likely, if the website tells you that it is, it most likely is. There are off cases where it's not, but that's pretty rare. Around this, there are no buttons. Once you set this up, you're gonna notice that this spins around. You're gonna have to spin this around and then you kind of click to select stuff. But most of you are just gonna handle everything from your phone or your tablet. You're never gonna really take a look at this. I also want to mention that once this runs out of battery, you cannot hook it up to Wi-Fi anymore. However, it does keep working as a regular thermostat. And if you had sensors around your house, so the temperature sensors, that will also stop working once the battery of this thing stops working. So this does become a regular thermostat, but it's not going to connect up to that since it doesn't have Wi-Fi anymore. And it won't connect to your phone or anything like that as well. It's just going to say offline. So that's a quick warning for those of you who are purchasing one of these things from Google. I know that it doesn't make sense that they did that, but that's how these things work. But anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, that's it. That's all we get inside the box. There's nothing else to take a look at. Now, if you guys want to see this thing in action, make sure to check out the setup video plus the review. If you have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.